Satya, we're at the start of a new year, and like everybody else, I'm sure that there is some degree of introspection, audit, etc., that you're going through as well. As you look back at the experience of the pandemic, and I know that you've been a big believer in empathetic leadership, and you brought that into the CEO lexicon well before the pandemic as well. How do you sort of look at life, work in the context of what the pandemic has taught us?
I think that's a great question, Srini. To me, I think one of the fundamental things the pandemic perhaps brought into focus was we all collectively as a global community had a tail event impact us all. We all were anxious about our own health, the health of our family, friends, communities, and we coped with it as a community, right? The vaccines came thanks to some great innovation in the pharma industry. The healthcare professionals were heroes everywhere. They sort of were the people at the front lines, helping us get through it. The essential services, whether it's in retail or manufacturing, it's sort of unbelievable to see the world even rally through these tough circumstances. The biggest lesson I've learned through all of this, going back to even leadership, is that all of us will have tail events. There may not be one global tail event, but each of us, life happens. And the question is, the next time one of those tail events happens, who around us, whether it's at the workplace or in our home, who's going to help us through it? And I think we have a better sense of it, right? When somebody comes in with difficulty, I think we will be more empathetic, having gone through the pandemic collectively as a global community.